Once upon a time, in a lush, verdant forest, there lived a small, nimble rabbit named Remy. Remy was known throughout the forest for his resourcefulness and quick wit. One day, a great drought struck the forest, drying up water sources and causing the once verdant landscape to wither. Remy, feeling the weight of the crisis, knew he had to act. He called a meeting of the forest animals to discuss their predicament. The elephant, the lion, and the owl all gathered around, waiting for Remy's wisdom. "We must find water," Remy said. "We cannot let our home perish." The elephant suggested they dig a well, the lion proposed they march to the distant river, and the owl suggested they wait for the rain. Each idea had merit, but Remy knew they needed a more resourceful solution. Remy suggested they collaborate. The elephant could use his trunk to dig, the lion could protect them from threats, and the owl could guide them. Together, their strengths would be multiplied, and they could find water faster. With Remy's leadership, the animals worked tirelessly, digging and protecting against potential threats. After days of hard work, they found a hidden spring, a source of water that they had overlooked. The forest once again flourished, and the animals celebrated their victory. Each time the forest faced a crisis, the animals knew they could rely on Remy's resourcefulness and the power of collaboration. In the end, the tale of the resourceful rabbit serves as a reminder that when we work together, our strengths can overcome any obstacle, and that resourcefulness and collaboration are key to survival.